Hello friends, in today's video we will learn how to run a Facebook ad to promote your YouTube channel or your YouTube video. The video, how can we do this with the help of Facebook ads? For this purpose you have to go to the ad manager. First way is to open your Facebook account, your ID. Look at the left hand side. Here you can find the ad manager over here. The other thing is that you from this six dotted menu, if you scroll down you will get the ad manager over here. I usually do like this, and the other way is write ad manager in the browser and you will see the ad manager, Facebook ad manager link over here. From here you also go to the ad manager, click on the link that will take you to your ad manager account. Okay, let's begin from here. That I click from here, ad manager. All right, I want to go to a particular ad account from which I want to run the ads. This is my personal ad account and my business ad accounts are down here, so I'm selecting any one of it. For example, this one, create ad. I will select the traffic campaign because I want more likes and more people on my YouTube channel. Click continue. You can name your campaign whatever you like. I usually use the date. Here I will be selecting the website option, and here I change the name of my ad set. Move to down. I'm selecting suppose rupees 250 daily budget. Time I'm going to use 2:20 p.m. I'm not selecting the end date. If you want you can select the end date also, but right now I'm not selecting it. I'm just starting. I have just selected the started date. Move to the next option. Here you need to decide the audience you want to show your ad to. I'm using open targeting right now, selecting Pakistan. My audience is not of that much age, so it's like around 40. 18 to 40 is okay. And I can use the detail. I'm using all genders. Here I can target to a specific audience. For example, digital marketing is a keyword. Here I can select the people who are interested in this. I'm not using it right now. I'm using just open targeting. Now the other is placement. Here I'm using manual placement. I want to show my ad to only Facebook and Instagram. I'm removing stream ads and search ads. Stories are okay. uh, the stories, and I'm going to remove it from the right column. Instagram shop. Okay, press next. Select the page on which you want to run the ad. Name of this, now I'm selecting the page. Instagram account has also been selected. I'm using manual upload. Here I'm using manual upload. I will upload a video. If you want you can create a video for that and upload it over here. I'm selecting this video. In your primary text, write the name of your channel. Go to your channel, copy the channel link, add the link of your channel, and also add this a little phrase question mark sub underscore confirmation is equal to 1. Here you may describe your channel and write some headlines for it. What happens when you are writing this phrase? Let me show you on a new tab. I'm pasting it over here. Let's see what happened. Whenever anybody opens the link of your channel, there is a hi guys. आज की वीडियो में हम सीखेंगे कि YouTube there is a pop-up for subscribe it. YouTube channel create करने से so in the URL I'm pasting the same one. If you want to take the preview, you can. See, it's working properly. Hi guys. In this way, my ad is completed. Now I just need to publish it. Here I want to tell you one more thing, that there is a mark over here that this video is not going to be displayed on Instagram Explore Home. So we are going to remove this problem for here. From here we will go to the placement option and this Instagram Explore Home. Okay. See, yellow mark has been removed. If you want to promote any video of your YouTube channel, you need to paste the link in the website link and write the title of the video over here. Now it is completed. We can press the publish button. In that way, our ad will be published. See, it is in the processing. If you like the video, press a thumbs up, like my channel, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get more updates. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.